soon.
The only thing that will help us out like we saw today will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and at least there is a better chance in the coming days, as well as the upper high that was sitting over us for the last few days is starting to shift away. So I don't think we're going to see too many more of those upper 90s like we had. Still in the 90s, we're not changing that, but at least we'll have a better chance for some cooling rainfall. And so far over the last several hours, most of our rain almost looks like a little boundary well down to our south. Not to say we can't see something kind of fire up north of that, but so far the trend has been for any of the rain to stay south. So hopefully we are drying out around the metro area now. I've had a few pop-up showers, thunderstorms on the north shore, but a lot of us did at least benefit from the passing cloud cover, knocked our temperatures down. We're currently at 85 degrees, and while that's not a big cool down, at least it does take our heat indices out of the triple digits at Kenner. Elsewhere, there are still some upper or lower triple digits. Today's high 91, and it was because of that rain-cooled air to finally see our temperature get to where it's supposed to be. And look at the high. That was set at 9:35 in the morning. Then our rain began. That helped to knock a lot of temperatures into the 70s. Rainfall started to come to an end. We started to see kind of a slow rebound back into the 80s. And again, a few locations in the triple digits. May see more of that during the day tomorrow. Now, we still have kind of an ongoing excessive heat warning for the river parishes toward Baton Rouge. Tomorrow, everyone will be under a heat advisory. Still expecting heat indices well above the well into the triple digits and around 112, but not the extremes that we saw over the last couple of days. The reason why, again, this is the upper high, but the center of it is a little bit now removed more to our east. So we're still under the control of the high, but not as dominant as it was. That upper high is now allowing for little disturbances, or if nothing else, just daytime heating to kind of take over and allow for more of a normal summer pattern. This upper troughing is also going to continue and deepen as we head into next week, which will probably bring in a better chance for some showers. But before that happens, the upper troughing is going to start drawing barrel northward. Again, really no big change in thinking once it does get into the Gulf of Mexico, northern Mexico, or South Texas as an eventual landfall, and doesn't look like it's going to impact us at all. So as far as rainfall goes, we've kind of got the tropical moisture in place with ample moisture allowing for some heavy downpours at times, but that doesn't look to be a widespread issue. Rainfall ending over the next couple of hours, and then as we head into the day tomorrow, again, a good shot at some afternoon and evening showers. Probably by the time a lot of that rainfall gets started, temperatures will already have reached the lower mid 90s, and so that's why we have the heat advisory. The latest on Hurricane Beryl, the center is very near. I'm talking that northern eye wall is right along the southern coast of Jamaica. Forecast trend has not changed at all. It'll still be a fairly powerful storm as it moves toward the Yucatan, becoming a tropical storm. The only change is Hurricane Center is saying that it may have an opportunity to get back to Category 1 strength before moving inland over northern Mexico or Texas, South Texas. As far as the conditions out ahead of the storm, dry air and wind shear will continue to plague this. So it is not going to just rapidly intensify once in the Gulf of Mexico, because that wind shear will continue to follow along with it right up to the point of landfall. Might weaken a little bit to allow it to become a 1, but again, not expecting it to explode in strength. It'll be hot and humid, but at least a better chance for some showers through our 4th of July weekend. A little bit drier by Sunday, then with a deeper upper trough should help our rain chances a little bit more by early next week.